In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files to OneDrive. OneDrive is a fantastic cloud storage service that allows you to effortlessly access your files from any device, ensuring your documents are always at your fingertips when you need them most. Whether you're working from your office, at home, or on the go, OneDrive has you covered. So, let's get started with the simple process of uploading files to OneDrive. First, open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. After signing in with your Microsoft account, you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your central hub where all your stored files and folders are displayed. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy even for beginners to use without any hassle. Now, let's locate the Create or Upload button. You'll find this on the left side of your screen. It's a blue button, positioned visibly to ensure you can't miss it. Clicking on this button opens a drop-down menu with several options available. From these options, you'll want to select Files Upload. This is the key to opening a dialog box that allows you to choose which files you'd like to add to your OneDrive storage. Once you click on Files Upload, a new window will appear, showing the file directory of your device. This is where you can browse through all your folders and files. Navigate through your device storage to locate the specific file you wish to upload. You can click on the file to highlight it. If you want to upload more than one file simultaneously, you can easily do this by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on each file. This lets you select multiple files to upload in one go, making it more efficient and less time consuming. After you've made your selection, simply click the Open button at the bottom of the window. This action will initiate the upload process, transferring your files from your device to your OneDrive account. The time it takes to upload will depend on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection. But OneDrive usually handles uploads quickly. Check the progress of your upload by looking at the right corner of your screen. A small progress bar will indicate how far along your upload is. Once complete, your files will appear directly on your OneDrive dashboard, where they're neatly organized and ready for you to access or share at a moment's notice. By following this straightforward method, you can easily move any file to OneDrive, ensuring they are safely stored in the cloud. This gives you the flexibility to access your data from anywhere, while also preserving valuable storage space on your device.